Hello lovely people and welcome to Trinket Corner. As a kid, I always wanted to get a letter from Hogwarts, but years passed and no bird dropped any letters at my doorstep. So today I will be making my own Hogwarts invitation letter, except for this one is going to be a phone case. I have already prepared my paper template that will fit my phone case. And the substance I'm going to be using is called Milliput Superfine 2-part self-hardening putty, which is basically a 2-part epoxy putty. Make sure to mix it well in equal proportions. It's very soft and adhesive. In order to smooth the surface, I slightly dabbed my fingers in water. I shape a rough triangle and then I cut the edges. I form the second layer on the paper template I have cut earlier. I cut the edges, turn the paper side down, smooth the surface, and place it over the phone case. Paper will not stick to the phone case, so I press it down to take the form I need, and then I will glue it when it's dry. Milliput dries relatively quickly. It took 3 to 4 hours to completely dry. When it was dry, I sanded both parts of the envelope and glued the top part using liquid nail. I'm using this paste-like adhesive because it's very sturdy and I want my phone case not to fall apart when I'm using it. Now liquid nail dries much slower, so I left it overnight. Here I'm priming the whole thing with several layers of white gesso. Unfortunately, when I was painting the whole thing in rich ivory, my camera died and I cannot show you. I want to give to this envelope slightly vintage, worn-out look. So I'm using brown pastel to add shadows and a little bit of distress. I have printed a mirrored Hogwarts logo on laser printer. Then I add a layer of acrylic medium, place the printout face down, and wait for 2 hours. And let's just all pretend that I did place it in the middle of the envelope. After 2 hours, I use warm water and a brush to remove the paper from the surface. Now that I think about it, I could have done the pastel step after I have transferred the image, but back then I didn't think of it, so I had to go over the phone case once more with the colors to correct the mess I made with water. This transfer method is not perfect and some parts of the image will be lost eventually. So I take my black pen and try to go over the image and the writing to sort of fill in everything that was lost in the process. Now we're going to make the wax seal, and we're not going to use wax, we're going to use Milliput because wax cracks. I had a brilliant idea to mix some acrylic paint with Milliputty in the hope of making it red. But no matter how much I kept adding the color, it felt like Milliputty will not go further than a slight pink, so I just gave up. Now for this part I'm going to use actual metallic Hogwarts seal, but because I don't want my Milliput to stick to the seal, I will use baby powder before I seal it. After 4 hours of drying, the seal is ready to be painted. When the paint is dry, I cover everything with another layer of acrylic medium, and our phone case is ready. I hope you like the final result. Please comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, or tell me what I did wrong. I will tell you that I used this phone case for a week for now, and it was okay. Nothing cracked, nothing fell, and I am pretty happy with my Hogwarts letter.